Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. However, the inquiring authority, after going through the record of the municipal council, came to the conclusion that these appointments of teachers were made without the approval of the municipal council, and the same was done knowing very well that the managing committee of the school had no funds of its own, and also the appointments in question were made without following the procedure laid down. Full stop. It also noticed the fact that the vacancies were never notified to the employment exchange, nor were they advertised. Full stop. The third charge framed against the appellant pertained to filling up the posts of 21 teachers in Shivalik Model School without any resolution nor approval from the managing committee and the government. Full stop. The authority noticed the defense of the appellant that the municipal council wide its resolution number 43.5 dated 15/4/1997 did grant approval to these appointments full stop, but the decision of the managing committee dated 13/9/1996 resolving to make deputy director bracket HQ bracket close to be one of the members of the appointing committee, was not complied with, and these appointments were made without conducting inducting the deputy director within bracket HQ as a member of the selection committee as required under the rules, nor was any intimation sent to him. Full stop. The next charge held proved against the appellant pertained to the allegation of appointment of one Shrimati Kuljit Kaur as a science teacher contrary to the statutory provision of section 240 of the act. Full stop. In regard to this charge, while noticing the defense of the appellant that Shrimati Kuljit Kaur was not R.S. Saini versus State of Punjab and others on 9 September, 1999 Indian Kanun related to him, held that from the selection committee's records and scrutiny of the application of Shrimati Kuljit Kaur and from police verification, she was in fact related to the appellant bracket, though not a blood relation bracket close stop. It also noticed the fact that in the invitation card of the marriage of this lady, the name of the appellant had appeared as one of the persons inviting, therefore, the inquiring authority held that as required under section 241 of the act, it was obligatory on the part of the appellant to have refrained from participating in selection of the said Mrs. Kaur, and having not refrained from such selection process, the appellant was guilty of this charge also. Full stop. The last of the charges with regard to which the appellant has been found guilty pertained to the fact that he has been interfering in the issuance of tenders for the works already sanctioned, approved, and such interference was not warranted. Full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।